Hi, girls. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Wait a minute, let's let Grandpa get everything.
Wait just a minute.
Grandpa can send it to you, too.
I'm ready.
Grandpa can make a video and send it to everybody.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Gracie, for telling us, for giving the grace for us, okay? Are you ready? Yeah, we do appreciate it. Are you ready? Okay.
Dear Lord, as we gather together around this table for our plentiful gifts to us, we thank you for always providing what we really need, but sometimes granting wishes for things we don't really need. Today let us be especially thankful for each other, the family and friends who enrich our lives in wonderful ways, even when they present us with challenges. Let us join together now in peaceful, loving fellowship to celebrate your love for us and our love for each other. Amen.
Amen. Yay.
Excellent job. Excellent job. I gotta take some of these things off there. They said my memory's full. I don't think it is. They said it is. So I'm gonna get her to back up there and later on.
Thank you, Gracie.
Thank you, Gracie. That was so nice and so beautiful. I gotta get some food.
Yeah, me too. I gotta scoot up a little bit.